Hi. Hello. Can you see me?
Yeah.
We're going to try a taste test just really quick. For my first time ever buying the Chinook, Texas sunflower seed. And it's a beautiful, beautiful package, as you can see. So Patrick and I are going to go ahead and try it. So I got my handy dandy kitchen shears.
Original.
This is the original flavor, which means salt.
Salted.
You know, so we're going to taste this, each of us.
Are we going to do a blindfold taste test?
Oh, I didn't even think to do that. Okay, wait.
I'm not. Yeah.
No, we're just going to taste them this first time. Okay, so would you like to try some?
Yes.
Okay.
They look like sunflower seeds.
Okay, what's your reaction so far?
Good.
My reaction
Not overly salted, which is nice. Kind of mild.
Yeah, more nutty.
As you get like David seeds and they're like salt. And these are not.
These are more nutty.
You could sit here and eat that whole package.
Yeah, these are more nutty and they taste like sunflower seeds. So that's good. Okay.
That's a 1.5 ounce package.
Yes. Okay.
Is that one serving?
I don't know. I don't really go by any serving sizes.
Serving size is a 1/4 cup. Servings per container.
So
4, I think is what they're doing. You cut it right along the number.
okay. All right. So this next one is barbecue.
1 serving per container. So yeah, that's 1 serving.
Okay. So this is barbecue smokehouse barbecue. Okay.
Smoke it. Yeah, you can see the difference.
Good. A little bit sweet barbecue. I like it.
They're like barbecue. Yeah, they're like
Not too
sweet
crazy.
barbecue potato chips. They're like
Like Lay's or
no,
like they taste good. Again,
like those Aldi ones, like Aldi or like Schneider's.
Again, not too salty. I like it. This one is called Hatch.
No, there's no salt in that at all.
Yeah.
No, that's kind of sweet.
This is called Hatch chili.
Hatch chili.
Yeah, so this will be interesting.
I wonder if that's to do with eggs. Hatch. Kind of like yellowish in color.
That's nice. It's not too hot. Like it's not like inferno hot.
No, it's like no, it's not hot at all. It's just flavorful.
Yeah, it's sweet. Not bad at all.
Chile.
Okay, let's go with the next one is dill pickle.
Dill pickle. Oh, I bet dill pickle and chili together would be good. Because that'd be like those potato chips that are...
No, I did think that I was going to just mix these all together. But I actually like the packages so much that I don't want to do that. So I'm going to tape them all closed afterwards.
We're going to keep them forever and ever.
No, we're going to eat them, but...
No, I mean the packages. Focus. So this one is indiscernible from the first one in color.
Yeah, very mild. I like it.
If you gave me that blindfold, I wouldn't know it was dill pickle. Very, very subtle.
I probably wouldn't either.
I wouldn't know what that was.
So usually when you buy anything that's dill, it's usually very
Dilly.
very extra dill.
Yeah, dill comes through. All right.
Parmesan pepper.
Parm and pepper. Now, this sounds interesting. This sounds like a chicken wing flavor. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think it is.
Like a garlic parmesan.
Yeah.
Except it's pepper parmesan.
That many. Okay, let's see here.
That's kind of yellowish.
I got a big one.
Oh yeah, definitely the cheese flavors there.
Oh yeah, a little funky. There's the pepper.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Not my favorite, but I'm not cheese. I'm not
No.
a cheese flavored kind of guy, except for nacho cheese flavored Doritos.
Again, it's not too bad compared to other.
Yeah, it's not like take your breath away peppery. Just a little taste of it.
It's also not too strong cheesy. Okay, this one should be fun.
So what we're getting from this is mild flavors. Cinnamon toast. This should be interesting. This struck my eye. When I saw that, I was like, I'm sure it's just cinnamon and sugar. Yeah, you got that brownish, very subtle brownish look. Smells more than it tastes.
Mine had a nice cinnamon.
Yeah, that's cool. I never thought to put cinnamon on sunflower seeds, but that's good. It's not real sweet.
Yeah, cinnamon and sugar are like my favorite things ever. Okay.
Cinnamon toast crunch.
Jalapeno ranch.
Jalapeno ranch. Now, finally, this Texas spice.
This says it's a new flavor.
New.
New. Again, very subtle.
Little
bit
burn,
of jalapeno.
little burn on the tongue.
Yeah, it's fine.
Not too much
Kinda like-
ranch.
It's kind of like, it's like that Parmesan pepper where I don't get a whole lot of cheese on that.
I don't get any
get a
ranch
lot
on
of
that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
All right, so I guess in conclusion,
This
for
wasn't-
me-
yeah,
these are extremely mild flavors.
Uh-huh.
Not overpowering like potato chip flavors
yeah,
at all.
no,
Probably about a third of that.
yeah. I really like these. These are not super expensive. I think I got them off of Amazon for around $20 maybe. I think it was more like 15. But it struck me. It looked nice, and I never saw the Parmesan and pepper or the jalapeno ranch, and I just thought I'd try it.
Yeah. I'm glad we tried it. Yeah.
What happens with David sunflower seeds, this is the thing, folks. I used to go out and buy, or Mr. Biggs, I would buy the whole great big package. It would be like one flavor. Or sometimes they have the new bags where it's 2 flavors. But you end up with a whole bunch of them. And sometimes I wouldn't eat them all. So I like having like a smaller size.
Yeah.
But a nice variety.
And the birds won't eat them if they have
Yeah.
salt
Yeah.
on them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
All right. Is that it?
Yeah.
All right. Good job.
Test wrapped up.
That's the taste.